In the depths of the Amazon rainforest, a unique phenomenon captivates scientists, the enigmatic water strider. These remarkable insects glide across the water's surface, thanks to their long legs and an extraordinary ability that defies physics. Observations reveal that they can literally walk on water, and some have even developed the ability to leap great distances to evade predators. But what remains hidden is their surprisingly deep ecological role, as they not only control mosquito populations, but also serve as indicators of the health of aquatic ecosystems. With ongoing research, we uncover these creatures' secrets, highlighting how their survival could be vital in the fight against climate change, making them one of nature's most compelling mysteries.